surprise, money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Today we are making country style fried pork ribs. Aren't they a beauty? They've been rinsed off, they're boneless, they're tender. And when you marinate your pork ribs, you want to get them nice and tender. You can either use vinegar overnight or this spicy mustard. I drained that water off. And here we're just going to rub the meat and the mustard. Again, try to run off that excess water. Just to let that mustard soak into the meat. You can let it sit for 2 hours or overnight. Here are the seasonings I plan on using today. Tajin, black pepper, paprika, hemp seed oil, and some Lawry's, and garlic salt and onion salt. Okay, you guys, I let this sit for about an hour. For the sake of time, I'm going in with my paprika first. These are going to be the best Southern style pork ribs, no bone in. We are frying these today. If this is your first time here at Carter's Eat, please be sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video. And at all costs, you must try this recipe. Okay, you guys, if you follow me, you know I like to dredge my meat in a bag. So we are going to use a variety of dredging seasonings. We've got that chicken fry, and a little bit of flour. And I love using a bag, you guys. You know that. It just lathers up better for me. They call it dredging. Hey, if you survived COVID, I want you to stop what you're doing and thumbs up this video. Dang, nabbit, it's a hole. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna use the cutting board then. These plastic bags. It happens to the best of us. As you know, the show must go on. Again, I season my flour. That's onion powder, garlic salt. It makes your seasoning taste good, and it's also a good idea, of course, to season your meat. Just mix it up gingerly. Again, we're making Southern style fried pork ribs. A risk, but so good, you guys. We're just dredging them and getting them ready to go into the pan. Sit back, relax, subscribe, and share the video. Give it a try. If you dare, it's great for the holidays and, special occasions. We don't encourage eating fried ribs often, but when you do, you will be satisfied. Okay, you guys, be sure to thumbs it up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Whenever we fry, you know that we freeze our meat with our seasoning. And to make your oil taste good, we can either add a garlic clove, or here you see me adding onion right to the cooking oil. And we're going to drop our pretty rib right in the cooking oil. You want your temperature to be at medium high. We're just going to place them right in. Aren't they pretty? This struck me while I was cooking them. I saw this on someone's channel, and I'll drop the link in the description box below. But just a little bit of Be-Love sauce on the outside of the batter won't hurt. So we're just gonna mix that up a little bit and drop these ribs in with a little bit of Be-Love sauce coated on our dredging. Sorry, Be-Love seasoning. And I'll make a mental note, B-Love sauce ribs are on the exterior of the pan. You want your ribs to cook all the way through, being that they're no bone in. They are tender and juicy. Grab those onions, get them onto a cooling rack, and get ready, y'all. They are beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. You see it? Perfect. Perfect. Let's breaks right on. These are two are the B-Loves. Get that little bit of onion. Yes! Y'all, these are the best Southern style fried pork ribs, no bone in. A must try recipe. Go ahead and thumbs up the video if you survived COVID. Subscribe, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. That means share the video. And we will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to follow our family vlogs and my other channel, Mrs. Carter.
Provide, do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.